I am replacing yet another iPad digitizer. Excuse me. I think this is going to be the fifth one for this iPad. It's the iPad 2, and my kids have a habit of breaking the screens, or the digitizers. Here's what a new digitizer looks like. It's still got plastic protection on it. That's the glass you put your finger on, and I'll show you guys the broken one once I have it completely removed. But figured some people might like to see the insides. It actually has 3 batteries in it connected in parallel, as it's rated at 4.2 volts fully charged. Can't read. Oh, there we go. Up there is English. 3.8 volts, 25 watt hours. And there's more information apparently in Chinese. I just can't read it. 6500, 6.5 amp hour. So that's the inside. It's 3 batteries. Charging it at the moment while I'm working on it. And all I can say is those special cases that are supposed to protect your iPad do nothing against my 3-year-old and my 5-year-old. For the most part, all the real guts of the entire iPad are under these silver plates right there. It's where your memory is, your processors, all that good stuff. And that is pretty much connected directly to the back plating for heat dissipation. Same thing with the batteries. You get some of your volume control, of course, camera. There we go. Get that brighter. Yeah, this iPad will never be the same again, but figured I'd show you guys. That's the antenna for the Wi-Fi. And that would explain my poor Wi-Fi connection. The wire's cut. I left my good camera in the car, so sorry. Screen. A little brighter. Now, this is not the touch screen. This is the actual LCD screen. So, kind of neat. As you can see, we're missing quite a few pieces on it this time around. But there you go. Just thought some of you guys might find that a little interesting. Your replacement screen kit, or the digitizer. I got the digitizer, a whole bunch of little tools, plus adhesive. Was less than 20 bucks, free shipping on eBay. I got it in 3 days, shipped out of California. I usually get the parts from Deal Extreme, which is dx.com. I couldn't find it on there this time around, and that usually takes 1 to 2 months to get. But I got it, and I got this from off eBay, and I got it in a couple days. So I'm happy. Gotta get the Mr. Gino needs to play his Curious George. Let me have the TV back. So that's it. Have a good night.